Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In the previous video we learned how to calculate the perimeter and the area of square. So in this video we're going to learn how to calculate the perimeter and area of the rectangle. So let's start doing it. So as usual we'll take the variable as a and input. So since I'm taking the whole value number, I'll take it as integer. You can even use float, and I'll use input since I'm taking the values from the user. Then enter the length of side, enter the length of side, close the string. You can put a colon here because it'll be better to see when it comes in the output. Then we'll take the next variable as b. In this we need only two variables to calculate, so again same as before, int input, open the string, and here will be enter the breadth of the rectangle. Here also you can, instead of side, you can write it as rectangle, it'll be much better. So enter the length of rectangle and enter the breadth of the rectangle. So now we need to know the formula of rectangle for perimeter and area. So the formula for perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So this will be 2 and asterisk symbol, which is multiplication, and within brackets A plus B, and close the brackets. And next will be the formula of area shall be, so area will be equal to A into B or A asterisk B. Since now I need to show the answer, we'll use the print command. Print, open the string, perimeter of rectangle is, close the string, comma, write peri, and close the bracket. Now again we'll do the same thing for the area of rectangle. Open the bracket, open the string, area of rectangle is, close the string and write area, and that's it. Now I'll run the command. Enter the length of triangle, I'll take it as 10, and the breadth will be 5, and there you go. It's as simple as that. And sometimes you may get error as usual. Since you're using online, the install version won't have any errors, and the source code for the program will be in the description below, and we have done for all other shapes too. You can check in the description. So that's it for today guys. Until next time, goodbye.